And I pretend I'm in control, just like the seasons. You're taking the time from me, but no, I don't believe it. This ain't how I thought things would go. Maybe.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashley and I'm super excited to bring you guys a different kind of video. I'm super excited to bring you guys this hair from Amazon. It is beautiful. I've had this hair for a month. I am a complete beginner to weaves and wigs, so I don't know how to do or maintain human hair, but this has been thugging it out for me for like a month. Currently it is in a 2-day-old twist out. So this is not its natural texture. It looks like this after a twist out. The name of the company for the hair is BLY Hair on Amazon. And this is the Mongolian Kinky Curly like 4A type texture. Okay. And so I'm going to show a clip you guys how it looks from the package, from being freshly shampooed, and then from being air dried, and they are completely different textures. And this is how it looks with a twist out. And it's a 2-day-old twist out. Okay, I normally do a twist out every day, but yeah, this is an old twist out. So you guys, I got 3 bundles of 18 inches for $117. 3 bundles. This hair that I have in right now is 2 bundles. All of this is 2 freaking bundles. I have a whole nother bundle that I have not touched, and this is how it looks. So this is pretty much how it looks after it's been shampooed, and I have not done anything to this bundle right here. Now I will say that the only con I can think of as a beginner, okay, I'm not a human hair connoisseur, okay, so as a beginner, the only thing I can think of is the ends are pretty dry. Okay. Just a texture shot real quick. But yeah, the ends are pretty dry, they're pretty frizzy. But guess who else hair is like that? Ours with natural hair. Okay? With 4C looking hair. I mean 4A, 4B type hair. My hair is more dry at the ends and it gets very frizzy at the end. So does this hair match my texture? Yes. In a way. It matches texture wise, but my natural hair grows up while this lays down. I love the lay down look. That is exactly what I wanted when I was looking for kinky curly hair. I love that you can see some length. This is 18 inches and it's falling down. Okay. I know there are some bundles, 4A, 4B, 4C, where you're going to have a lot of volume like this, like our natural hair does. But this one hangs down, so I do love that. It matches my texture pretty well. But like I said, my hair goes up. So when I have leave out, it's up while this hangs down. And so yeah. Now I will say I've had it for a month. I shampooed it twice and I've done 2 sew-ins with it. I've done my own sew-ins and I'm very new to weave. So, you know, you can only imagine how that goes. But yeah, it's still hanging on.